Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I am playing Gang Beasts with my cousin
Hello.
Weston. Now, if you know anything, hey, if you know, if you know anything about the new update, then you'll know that there are now birds.
But
Well, I don't know if it's the newest update. So we're trying to trick the birds and make them think we are one of them. That is our plan. Will that plan work? Probably not,
we'll try it.
but maybe. Was that a bird? It was just a bird.
We just have.
What the heck, man? Sit for the birds.
I can fly. Watch this. I can fly. I can't fly.
The roof. And why did you test your fly on that? We got the little upper part that you can just dive off of.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. I forgot about that. Brother, don't die, brother.
I would assume my character is supposed to represent a blue jay, but I'm purple, so. Wee. Oh, what kind of flip are you trying to do? I was doing a front. Wee. Oh,
My brother.
he's your color.
Oh, brother.
Come on. Come here. Come here.
Oh.
Where are you, little fucker?
What?
Where are you, little bucker? Buck, where's the buck?
What happened?
Bird. 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 Bird, 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 bird. Yes. What's the button? How did you drop it?
We grabbed onto you by accident.
This is how you fly, right?
I got it. No, I didn't.
No, you got me. We got it. We got it. Oh no!
He hit me. Get under. Get in cover.
Get it.
Get
Take cover. I don't know if there's any purple birds. I've never seen a purple bird.
I don't think I have. I think there's blue, green, and yellow, and red.
Maybe there is no purple. They aren't out of control yet. Don't worry, I'll communicate with them. They won't attack me like this. Oh, he went straight for the crotch.
No.
See? They don't notice. They don't notice I'm different. Listen, he knows. Listen, he knows. Listen. Oh. I got him. I got him.
Get it go. You have it?
Yes. He's angry.
He's angry. He's an angry yo.
He's still here. He's still here. What's he going for? You can't get me. You can't take me. You can't. No, no, please, please. He's got me by the tail.
They're after me.
He's holding my hand. Oh,
Braxton, get in cover. Braxton, get in cover. Get in cover.
they can't get me. You can't take me. You can't. Oh my goodness. These birds are vicious. You can't get me. I don't know how this is working. Nuke you. I nuke you. What's it? What's it? Please.
It's fix. Help.
Please. Oh no. Program that AI.
I don't know, but it's so much fun.
I don't know how it was working, just running around in circles
Yeah.
working. Imagine if I did that in a public lobby. They'd probably be like, how?
Bird.
Should we break the silence before they can?
Yes. Remember the time I flew up in the air by holding on when the bird
Yeah.
grabbed on? Oh, hi me. Hi, my fellow brother.
Hello, friendo. Maybe that's why you got attacked. I think you're the only one who ever touched one of the birds.
Oh.
Because you tried touching it while I was like,
Oh.
I stole a piece.
That was fun. We got this.
The camera knows I'm here. Yes! I got the camera. I got the camera. Give camera to me. Oh. Oh, okay, I should get off. My character's losing his grip.
Help me.
Help you what? What are you trying to do?
Bring it up.
Do you not remember how to lift?
No. Oh, triangle.
Yeah. Well, on Xbox it's Y.
Let me get up. Let me get up there.
I'm losing my grip. Dude.
You got it. You got that.
Oh. Bird! Help me, bird! Bird, please, bird! Bird!
Yeah.
Yeah.
Got it. We got it up.
He's come to greet me as one of his own.
I think he's after
He
me.
literally just
Help!
looked at me.
Help!
I don't know why the birds like you so much. I guess I am part of the fellow birds. You are a trash bird. You are a pigeon. Trash bird. Hello, buddy. Buddy,
Hello,
buddy, buddy. We are friends. We are friends. What's the name of friends? What's the? What?
I'm scared. Oh no.
Why does he have your leg?
Friend.
Oh no. Oh no. They look like they're trying to give you a wedge at the elbow in the back. That one was biting your tail.
I'm scared. Oh.
Let me grab your tail. I'm trying to grab your tail. Listen, let me grab your tail. Listen, lay down. What? Can I not grab the tail? Is it not officially a piece I can grab? Oh, wait. I'll count this as a win.
I can't win.
I don't think you can grab the tail. It looked like I was grabbing your tail, but if I had walked away, my character would still only be pointing at you. Better question. How do we grab? How are we grabbing with these kind of hands?
It's a different that started for once.
It's green. But green, Logan's favorite color. Is that bird Logan? It might be Logan. Oh. 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 We got like one of every color. Well, that they have, at least. I don't know if they've ever had a purple bird. Maybe that's a rare find. I don't know.
Yeah.
I caught one. Oh! My grip's gonna loosen soon. I'm gonna take this guy below deck. Here we go.
Get away from me!
Oh, gotcha. You try getting me, yellow.
Cut to it. Get him.
Come to me. We're honestly, literally children. Come back! I just want to be your friend. Yes.
Yay!
What's that? Yeah, it's fine.
He's in my crotch.
I got you.
He's in my crotch.
He's got my shoulder. He got my front.
Go. Braxton. Braxton.
I thought I had it. There's like 5 of them on you. It's kind of fitting that we're in factory, given that factory lets us fly. We will experience the bird life without the bird.
Yay. I'm scared.
Besides, any birds that try and come here would probably be torn to shreds, let's be honest. Yes! The bird life!
Oh no! I used you. It's gonna be pulling down this next one, I think.
Yes, but will I die here? I do know these parts can go up, but can they go?
Let's see.
We will see.
Stop it! Stop!
How does it? It's not really doing much of anything. Oh, yeah. It's definitely pulling down. You can tell I can't jump very high. Oh yeah, now I can jump.
What's over here?
Why are they always watching us? Yeah. Why are they always watching?
You can't climb up this wall. I got it! I know.
You forget, Weston. I know how to climb.
Oh!
What's that? I'm coming! Vince, a bird's least friend. Grinders! No, I read wrong. I was like, grinders, we can be turned into chicken nuggets?
Bird nuggets.
Yeah, we are technically bird meat, and that's what chickens are, bird meat.
I can't see. Ow. Excuse me. Hey. Hey.
Listen, get in my hole.
I'm coming, Braxton!
That's not my hole.
Oh. I didn't realize I was in your hole.
Cousins playing Gang Beasts. What a great time. Time to be alive.
Birds on this back?
I honestly don't know.
They should be.
They should add is birds and the squid. That'd be crazy. Wait, did they add sharks to this one? I know they've added sharks to a few other water ones.
Well, I don't think the sharks can reach up to here, though.
Oh, yeah, that's probably true. They probably can't get up here.
But if there are...
Can you climb? I can't.
You can.
Don't forget, Weston, I know how to climb.
I know that too.
After I taught you. Oh my gosh. Oh, what? Oh, after a certain height, you can't go up anymore. Ah! What? Let go of my butt. No.
It's so bright.
How did you catch me on the way down? Do you even mean? Or were you just reaching up when I went down?
I was just reaching up.
Oh, wait, we could fight in the light?
Oh, it's so bright.
Blind the audience. If you're watching this in the dark, I'm sorry. Look into...
Up there.
Look at God. This is what God is. Do you think there is a God in this universe?
It's snapped.
What snap?
I didn't think it used to be that bright.
I don't think so either.
Well, they did update like the. You remember in the update files they like updated the graphics?
Oh yeah, there was a graphics update, wasn't there?
Yeah, that could be part of it.
I'm just sitting in front of it. The people that see the shadow of it are probably like, "What the?" Ah! Ooh. Yes, I can lift myself up with one hand.
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it.
I don't know what I'm doing. What am I doing? What? What am I doing?
I'm gonna do it.
I'll join you.
What? Help me! I can't get over.
Yeah. Let's say I was trying to fly off of you. I grabbed your head and was like, "You go down, I go up."
You gotta go first.
This is how I drown. That's how I drown children. I grab them by the head, force their head under.
Are they birds? Although
Oh,
I know it tilts now.
I don't remember the wind effects being much of a thing. I do know it used to tilt.
No, but now it tilts like seriously.
Oh, you can tilt it from your own weight. Right, I forgot. I forgot you can also tilt it with weight. So, like, if you have a bunch of people on and they're all back here, must be fun online then. Wait, listen. I don't think we've realized we've achieved flight. No, we achieved flight.
We didn't know.
I'm coming. Superhero dive down.
Why?
I mean, we could try an online map, I guess, but we'll see.
Yes.
Listen, you belong here. This looks like a New York subway. Wait, no, it doesn't. It's too clean to be. You put me in a trash can?
What do you mean a trash can? Come on, trash. Come on.
But you do belong here, Weston. But I don't know if this is New York subway. It seems too clean to be a New York subway. Frankly, it looks too clean to be any subway.
We need to block it off.
Do they have subways in the UK? I think this might be a UK subway. Might be a UK subway, given that it's so clean. Though, yet again, I don't know how UK subway. They're cleaner now. All I know is this is not a New York subway.
Yeah.
Too clean.
What is it strong?
Anybody know what the subway is called? Weston's really picking up the pigeon roll, taking any food it can get.
That's not what I'm going for, Ricky.
I'm taking the trash.
Okay.
There's actually a crow that was
Are you
rummaging
Forky?
through our trash.
Are you Forky?
A what?
Forky. From Toy Story.
Why would you assume that?
Because you said I'm gonna take the trash. He's trash. No!
What you just said did not make any sense to me.
No! Come on!
Unless I got pipe. This part might be cut out. Let's actually fight. Let's give the viewers something to watch.
Wait, let's see what happens if we put these in.
Nope. Oh, it was alive for half a second.
I got swept away by a train.
Sideswipe. An elevator. I'm in the elevator.
We achieved it.
Ah!
I'm coming, Braxton.
I honestly did not mean to fall.
I'm coming, Braxton.
That was a complete accident. Trucks, yes!
Remember?
And there's a purple, well,
Blue.
blue, but still.
Do you remember when you grabbed onto both trucks and went when we played on?
Yeah, I've glitched this map a couple
Oh.
times.
Yeah.
I remember it was the old trucks and it hopped up and then reached back down and it fell apart like the billboards in the one map. You should have climbed.
I tried.
Ooh, I love the color green. The sound with it. Oh my god. The boat. We're on the trawler. Birds versus sharks. Who will win?
The
Let's go to the top. Oh yeah. Yeah, those sharks could not get up that.
Help! My arms!
Come on.
Do you see my arms?
I'm so close. I'm so close. I'm so close.
No!
Was that a seagull? It didn't look like a shark. It looked too small. What the heck was that?
I don't know. That's a
That
shark.
was a shark. Can we not get up here? I've been able to get. Oh, Weston, help me! Help me! Weston, help me!
Shoot.
Sharks achieve flight.
360.
My question is, has sharks like what sharks are this vicious? Oh.
It's raining
Did
sharks.
he even go up? I only saw him go down. Did he just fall from heaven?
It's raining sharks.
Are you telling me sharks are from heaven? I'm just glad there's no blood in this game. This game would not be rated well.
What?
Where are they coming from? Oh, hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Where are they falling from, though?
I don't know, because they don't reach that high. If they reach that high, then they could be on the lighthouse map. Listen, are you okay?
What the?
Listen, are you okay? It's okay.
Oh my
It's
god.
okay. I said, oh god!
Mm.
They can't catch me. Oh. Nope. Wait, what?
What? The shark was on it.
Was the shark hitting the levers, or did it grab onto
I
the...
think it touched the levers, or it grabbed onto it.
I'm testing. I'm checking. Whoa! He did have the levers! Oh my gosh! He's just waiting. He was just...
Is
What?
it sinking? Oh, it's sinking. It's sinking.
Oh. Hi. What the hell? Oh no, you
Run free.
let him go.
Oh, that shark was fierce. Hi.
Sharks. Does this work on sharks too?
Ow!
Please work on sharks too. Please work on sharks too. Please work on sharks too. I'm just imagining you getting like shark coming up and just side swiping you out of frame. Ah! I thought he had me for a second.
Hi.
It's because he stopped dancing.
Me too.
Listen.
She's alive. I'm not alive.
Why are they attacking?
Braxton.
They're attacking each other. Okay. They just didn't care about you. Oh,
Why did the ship turn like that?
I don't know. It's still going. It's still going.
Why did it turn
I'm
like
just
that though?
Captain going down with the ship. Remember me?
Rockstar!
The way I dived, my butt was just in the air. My back was slightly arched. The crane. Oh, doesn't this one have birds? Well, I guess it depends on
Yes.
what part. Oh, we are on the part where it has birds. Is what the crane had on the other side? Huh. Let's go inside. You are able to go inside. Oh, I was in the wrong part. Honestly, wish somebody else could be on the other one. Wait, we can look around the map like that?
Oh,
Let's get off my face.
I slipped through the window.
There's the birds. The birds are on the building.
You just see me go.
That's how Weston died.
I drowned. Oh.
Now we're turning into chicken nuggets.
Wait. Go.
After you get heartburn from the chicken nuggets, you know? Got some Pepto on the side.
Get away from me. Get away from me. Who's up there? You got this. You go farther. No, I can't. No, I can't.
I don't know if there is a way to help. I'm swimming, apparently. No, 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 please.
You're swimming, and then you're drowning.
Running Pepto.
It's brother. It's cousin Carl.
Cousin Kyle.
I thought it was Carl.
No, it's Kyle.
Cousin Carl. Oh, but
Cousin
we're not
Carl.
our fish avatars. You know the safe spot? That's not really a safe spot.
These jellyfish are cool. I like the jellyfish.
I wish.
Carl! Carl, I'd like to speak with you.
I wish the jellyfish would break out. Oh, sup, Carl? Give me a high five. Brah, yeah.
Imagine if you could break the glass in this one.
Yeah. Let the fishes come out. Especially those. That would be cool.
I want the gold.
Where's your family? There's none of your family.
Carl's my family. I'm purple. He's purple. Oh, I didn't see.
Get away from me!
Lesson. I got him. I got Cousin Carl.
Cousin, you got stronger over the years.
I don't remember him having 2 tentacles. I thought he only had 1 first.
He has like 5. It depends on how many people are in the server, I think.
Maybe.
That'd be cool. Cause I remember with Coulter we had like 3. Carl! What the? Did you see that?
Who's winning this fight, me or Cousin Carl?
Cousin Carl! Like,
Oh my goodness, I think I could be thrown like this.
think Cousin Carl wins.
Oh, I thought he grabbed you.
What's over here? What is that?
Can't lift this. Oh, there's 3. I think there was just 3 tentacles. Ah, he got the bitch.
Good. I'm going down.
Oh my.
There's 4. There's 4. There is 4.
Lesson, help.
Get over here. Get over here.
Oh, he almost got me.
Come over here.
I will fight you, Cousin Carl.
I don't think you can.
Fight me. Fight me.
Thank you very much. So get over here. No, I'm not going. Ah!
When I won. Yes, cousin Carl, lift me up.
There's 5.
What's the one? I didn't know. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed our Gang Beast video. I know I had fun. Did you have fun, Wesley?
Yeah.
Anyway, main reason why we started this video is because we wanted to see what would happen if we wore bird costumes on a map that had birds. Let's just say
It didn't
they
work.
hate Weston a lot more than they hate me. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. And I
We
was
smell like trash.
I don't know. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.